Most people think AI is inconsistent, and that's why results feel random. One day it works, the next day it doesn't. So they blame the tool. But the problem is not the AI. The problem is how it's being used. Most users open ChatGPT and start typing random prompts. They try something, then change it, then try again. Each time they get a different result. This creates the illusion that AI is unreliable. But AI is not random. It is reactive. It responds to the structure you give it. If your input is inconsistent, the output will be inconsistent. Professionals understand this immediately. They don't rely on random prompts. They rely on systems. A system removes randomness. It defines steps. It creates structure. It controls the process. For example, instead of asking AI to write something directly, they break it into stages. First, define the goal. Then create an outline. Then expand each section. Then refine the result. Each step guides the AI. Each step reduces variability. Now the output becomes predictable. This is the difference between beginners and advanced users. Beginners test. Professionals design. AI doesn't fail randomly. It reflects your thinking. If your thinking is chaotic, the results feel chaotic. If your thinking is structured, the results become consistent. That is why AI feels random for most people. And that is also how you fix it.